my child. The way he played with your heart, the way he toyed with your emotions, how he lied when he did not have to. Why was not the truth enough? Why was not integrity enough? Because truth and integrity are never enough for people who consciously choose the dark. God will handle it. For now, you have to handle you. It's time to heal. It's time to get back to you. But most important, it's time to lean on the Lord. Let God rebuild and redirect you in this hour. Type yes if you believe in God.